Hey, it's me, Cynthia. I am she, and I am here with another Sugar Muses unboxing. This is from March, not February. I am going to use our new placemats. We just got these from Walmart. We're Walmart fancy. Okay, we gotta protect this nice wooden table. We have to. Let's see what we got here. All right, I actually don't have to cover that anymore because that's no longer my address. All right, so that's Sugar Muses. What? Wednesday, not Wednesday. March. I don't know what's wrong with my my brain lately. It's really bad. Like, Mark is really annoying. Look at that knife is, I think it's about had it. I think it's done. Yes. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Wow, this is an original for Sugar Muses. It's by R. Roti, Sugar Muses, 2018. That is a beautiful, beautiful picture. I hope it's a sticker. I can put it on the outside of one of my journals. I'm not sure if it's a sticker. It'll tell me in the description, won't it? All right, so there's... Oh, it's the Celtic Tree of Life. I'm Irish, so... Celebrating the Celtic Tree of Life to invoke wisdom and strength. Trees were a vital element of the Celtic culture, and the Tree of Life was a representation of how the forces of nature came together to create balance and harmony in nature. The Tree of Life was called Cran Bethad, I don't know, by the ancient Celts, who believed that it had magical powers. Celtic people honored the Tree of Life by leaving one big tree in the middle of their field when they cleared their land. How is that honoring it? Its symbol meant wisdom. You know what? You know what? The smell is not the stuff I use to clean my table. The smell is coming from the box. So, it's herbs and spices. So, we'll get to that. Trees were said, yeah, I was in the middle of reading. Trees were said to guard the land and act as a doorway to the spirit world. In their domain, you will find wisdom and grounding blessings. That is beautiful. And I was born in Ireland, so, oh yeah. Oh, today's St. Patrick's Day, and I forgot. I don't do anything for it anyway, so who cares? Okay, so this is the description. 1, 2, 3 pages of descriptions. This is awesome because it's kind of like a script. There, I tilted you. Oh, this is Bob Ross, the unintentional father of ASMR. Remember, happy little trees, happy little clouds. Bob Ross, the painter dude. All right, now we get to the goods. Well, you're getting to see this before I do, like literally. Beautiful. And am I weird? Yes. Am I crazy? Also yes. Is her card different this month? I'm not sure. As I told you earlier, my Oh, I see stuff. Okay, there's an Andes mint. Delicious. What? Look at this. Runes. I see runes. Do it. Oh my god. It's taking too long. They're runes. I don't know what the symbols are. I started studying runes. It's real, gosh, I cannot speak. Real tree bark, real tree cuttings. And that's another one of those. So, and another one. There's nothing on the back. All right, so what is the little message? Standing straight up is fire. And if you turn it upside down, it's water. And then this standing up is air. And upside down is earth. So are those runes? Because I'm very working with the 4 elements, directions, runes. Okay. Then it tells us north, south, east, and west. East is air, south is fire, west is water, and north is earth. So these represent the 4 corners of the earth. The 4 corners or the 4 directions of earth. Okay, that is super cool. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I'm sure I can find a use. I mean, like my sister's house is haunted. I think everybody's house is haunted, but hers is, oh gosh, so exciting. I have to go investigate hers because it is getting scary. Barberry root? Barberry has been used in traditional herbal medicine since early Egyptian times when it was combined with fennel seed to prevent plague and treat fevers. I'm wheezing again. It was popular with the Celts and is mostly used for cleansing, atonement, freeing oneself of power or control of another, and for strength. Also called witches' sweets. So that is this. Beautiful labels. That's what it looks like. The texture doesn't really smell like anything. Then we have dandelion leaf. And so I'm assuming I would burn these. Very popular plant with the Druids. It is associated with any solar deity, Hecate, Brigid, and Belenos. Belenos? Its main uses are for summoning good spirits, healing, and purification. Bury in northwest corner of yard to bring favorable winds. Use in sachets and charms to make wishes come true and for manifestation. Yeah, when I laugh myself drooling, that's a good time, always. All right, I don't know what to open first. Everything looks so great. I'm gonna save the big one. I don't know. Okay, there's something small I could. Oh my God, my friend Megan would love this. I would love this. Is this for, let me try to guess what it's for. Is it for the stick of the smelly thing? Look how pretty that is. There's a hole in the middle. Ooh, it also looks like a planchette for a Ouija board. But I bet it's a stick for the smelly thing. Tree of Life artwork. Oh, that's this. I created this design just for this month's box. This exclusive hand-painted original was created with watercolor, pen, and ink. Really? That is beautiful. So Christy made this herself. That is awesome. Oh my gosh, it does say Christy. Did you see me in the beginning? I read this as R. Rosty. When, come on, give it to me. It says Christy right there. And I said R. Rosty. Oh my God. This is beautiful. I'm gonna put that in my craft room. That is so pretty. All right, so I didn't know if it was this shaking. Hello, Ruger. Sacred salts. Look at that. So beautiful. It's a black container. Oh my gosh, this smells like peppermint, spearmint. Oh my God, it's so pretty. So pretty, it's just salt. Well, I guess we'll leave it there because you can't see it, so I can't leave it there. Oh my gosh. Only I would try to show people salt and spill it all. Only me. I'm the only one. There's only one of me and I am she. That smells so delightful. So that is sacred salt. Let's see. Sacred salts, made with dead sea salts and infused with rosemary, lavender, and wild mint essential oils. Oh my gosh. Wow. Use your salts to cast circles before meditation and rituals. Place it in a bowl for your altar or use in the bath to surround yourself with these positive energies. I can use my bathtub now because I'm on the first floor. I have a fear of using a bathtub that's upstairs because I have a fear that I'll fill it up, get in it, and it'll fall to the first floor. So now we're in a single-story home. I can actually take a bath. But we've been here for 2 weeks, and I've yet to take a bath in it. I take a shower every day, but I haven't turned my bathtub on. Then we will go for, oh, that is so pretty. Look how perfect that is. Let's see. Celtic wood incense holder. I was right. That's this. Incense holder. To hold your incense stick. Okay. Incense. Okay, blue smudge bundle. That is this. This plant is often known as grandmother sage. This purifying herb has medicinal and magic applications. The sage provides spiritual strength and is used for purification and cleansing of spaces, yourself, and as well as your tools that you will be using. I can't read stuff. That is awesome. I'm very... What is that? I'm very excited about this one. I accidentally saw what it says it is, and I don't know if I can contain myself. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Where does she come up with these ideas to put in the, oh my God. It's a dragonfly lantern. Oh, look at the dragonflies. Oh, they're so pretty. All 4 sides are the same. So, oh, there we go. Okay, so I'd put a little candle in there. I just donated a giant box of tea lights I had. That's all right. They sell more at the store. Oh, okay, so this is the oil. Oil, ritual oil, Bedelina. The name Bedelia is of Irish origin, meaning the high one or strength. This oil is all organic, created from infused herbs in an apricot base oil. It contains mint, basil, and spearmint essential oils. Perfect to use for anointing candles, gemstones, jewelry, and yourself. I suggest doing a test patch before using on your skin. Smart. See, I have to start using this stuff or I'll run out of places to put it. I'll smell this later. I will. Oh, there's pretty things in it. Can you see the pretty things floating around? I mean, they could be flies for all I know because I can't see through through the wrapping, but I don't think they're flies. I think whatever they are pretty. Okay, there's something. Oh, the tea light goes for, oh good. Oh, goody, 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 goody. Tea light for the lantern. Thank you. Did you see how sad I got? I gave all mine away. All right. Ooh. Oh, a wax candle. Tree of life. Shield me from life's storms. Bless me with your bounty. As I light this candle, I am open to receive strength and wisdom. Sugar Muses. That is beautiful. So, this is I said wax candle, didn't I? They're all wax candles, aren't they? It could be soy. I don't know what I was saying when I got rudely interrupted by Mark. But when don't I get rudely interrupted by Mark? I guess I shouldn't say rudely because he doesn't know I'm making a video. This is very light. Very nice. This is beeswax, I believe. So let me find it. I should have 3 pages, yeah. Hand-rolled green beeswax candle infused with basil and sage. This candle features a mantra that can be repeated, I suggest at least 3 times, while burning your candle. The color is green and used for earth, fertility, growth, rejuvenation, healing, tree and plant magic, prosperity, and luck. It is a color that represents the North Quarter element of earth. Awesome. Okay. I can't smell it really because this must be... There are 2 gemstones. I'm leaking all over the place. I keep drooling. I don't know what's wrong with me. Look at this satin bag. Very nice to cover... Not to cover anything. Ah, Cynthia. I just felt the table vibrate. It wasn't me. Alright, so. Ooh, tumbled stones. So that one's a green one. Ooh, that is nice. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, now I sound like a graveyard girl. Alright. Green kyanite gemstone. This gemstone aids in connecting to the dynamic balance of Earth. Green kyanite aligns all of the chakras, but is most known for its ability to balance the heart chakra. That's Ruger doing a peel out on the floor. It helps one heal through the connection to nature by absorbing energy from the earth. Green kyanite is known to aid the ability of channeling information from nature spirits. By connecting the heart chakra with the third eye, it allows one to connect with their innate wisdom and grounding into the physical plane. I don't know what that means. Then the gray one, the bigger one, is the Serpentine Gemstone for power, wisdom, and healing. This is an earth element gemstone, which guides one attune to the energy from it. Did I say that right? This is an earth element gemstone, which guides one attuned to the energy from it. This enables one to experience the benefits of using the earth's to conduct special healing energies along with grounding excess spiritual energy. Very good. Very pretty. I'm going to put them back. You know what? You can enjoy them more. You can. And then you can also enjoy this more and that more. I guess we could prop this up. We could prop this up. All right. Oh, very pretty. I might already have this one. See, I love the way she has moss in there, fake moss. And that's a tree of life. Oh, is it upside down? I'm not sure. Very pretty. I need to get black cord so I can start wearing all of these. And then we have this is very strong. Oh, very heavy. Wow, it is really soaked in the oil. Look at the oil bleeding through the bag. So this is what she sent. So, Green Tree Candle Company. All right. Incense sticks. Burn the scented incense to celebrate the manifestation of strength, wisdom, and to honor Mother Earth. These sticks are from Green Tree Company. The blend is called Mother Earth. It smells divine and very strong. So, I'm not sure I can ever burn that in this house unless Mark is in Japan, because he's very sensitive to every smell on the planet and it's really annoying. I'm not sure if I closed the video out. I started getting excited about putting that picture together that I took to show the stuff that I showed in the video. Makes no sense. I make no sense. I'm wheezing, so it better not be raining. Is it raining? It's just terrible out. It's like, okay, we're in Las Vegas, and we did not, I repeat, we did not have winter, which was very strange. We were wearing one layer in December, like just bring a sweater in case it gets cold, that kind of thing. And now it's March 16th and it is just terrible out. It only started in March, so our winter is late. Like now we're getting all of it like together. Weird. Okay, so just in case I didn't close this out earlier. Wow, you're crooked. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful everything, and perhaps I will see you on another day, or perhaps in April when the April box comes. So, bye!